Hello everyone, today we'll guide you through setting up your campaign in MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, check out the description for a link to a free trial. For those already using it, just log in and follow along with us. First, click on Campaigns on the MailerLite dashboard. Next, on the right side, click on Create Campaign. You'll then see different types of campaigns. Select the type that suits your needs. After that, you'll be prompted to fill out the campaign details form, including the name, subject, and other relevant information. Once you've completed this, click on Content. You'll then be able to choose an email design option where you can design your email in various ways. Now we are going through the drag and drop editor. In the drag and drop editor, you can customize your email in any way you choose. Once you have completed your edits, click Done Editing to save your changes. Before we wrap up, I'd like to invite you to a free training webinar where you'll learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while also growing your email list. It's completely free, so don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot. Thanks for watching our videos.